पहला लाइफ टाइम हमने यहाँ दिया। कई सारे ऐसे अवार्ड थे जो पहली बार यहाँ शुरू हुए और अब उषा जी को दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला। ये हमारे लिए बड़ी गौरव की बात है सर।
I've been singing that song for 40 years, and it's been so popular. There's never been a show without that song. And today, because of Durandar, it's got a new birth. So when I say, most people think that, you know, if you're a singer like me, I mean, all the good girls get Lata ji, Mangeshkar, Asha ji Bhosle, and Runa Laila. Give up. But all the bad girls get my voice. So I'm the original item girl, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely. And if you feel like clapping, it'd be even better, yeah? Yeah. Original item girl. I'd like to also say that people used to think that I only sing those kind of songs. But only those kind of songs are what have brought me to where I am. I believe in every word of that song which says, Jitni tum pyar se ji loge, utni hi zindagi ramba ho. Yeah. And it's really fantastic that when we all get together like this, when the rest of the world is fighting, and so much of time to fight, when there's so little time to love, and everybody thinks their own problems are the biggest, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है. So for all of you, I'd like to say, give me your Ashirvadam one more time so I can carry on singing. And from God's own country, Keralam, I'd like to say, it's great to be part of all of you. Thank you very much. Ramba ho, 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 ho. Samba ho, 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 ho. मैं नाचूं तुम नाचो, जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी रंबा हो. Very bad, very bad. We sing it properly?
Yes.
Yeah. Ramba ho. That's better. Samba ho. Thank you so much for this great award, and I hope that you'll call me back again. Yeah? Love you. You're gonna come and sing it. Come on, baby. We sing together. Okay.
So, this is a song that I had sung, and then Usha ji, should I say Didi? Didi sang it also. So we're just going to do a little bit of that.
Lovely. See, I inspire people to sing.
Yeah.
And now you know who's the beauty and who's the beat.
You're the
You're the
beat?
beauty and I'm the beat. Not the beast. Beat.
Okay. স্টেশনে রেলগাড়িটা মাইপা চলে ঘড়ির কাঁটা.
Everybody get your hands.
স্টেশনে রেলগাড়িটা মাইপা চলে ঘড়ির কাঁটা. প্ল্যাটফর্মে বৈশা ভাবি কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা. স্টেশনের রেলগাড়িটা মাইপা চলে ঘড়ির কাঁটা. টিক 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 টিক. স্টেশনে রেলগাড়িটা মাইপা চলে ঘড়ির কাঁটা. প্ল্যাটফর্মে বৈশা ভাবি কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা, কখন বাজে 12টা.
So let the whole world fight. We just love. That's all.
We always project love, peace and happiness all over the world.
Brotherhood and land.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
कभी किसी ने देखा है ऐसा मिलन?
नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Beyond the boundary, cross the boundary.